going to have a discussion is drill down visualization in a Power BI. Drill down visualization is nothing but, so by default, whenever you create a visualization, you are going to get like this. So I created a visualization based on the state-wise amount paid. And most of the scenarios, you are going to work with the hierarchies. Hierarchies are nothing but, like if you consider a date, like a date, month, semester, like a quarter, semester and year. And for products, product family, product category, product subcategory, product name, country, state, city. So you are going to work with a relationship, or you are going to work with a hierarchies. These hierarchies itself, you are going to have a lot of dimensions. Whenever you are creating a visualization, if you create a visualization, amount paid at a state level, amount paid at a city level, amount paid at a country level, the same amount paid is occupying your complete report. What you are showcasing there? Nothing. So whenever you are representing a hierarchical data, instead of creating n number of visuals for the same hierarchy, you can represent everything in a single visualization. That is what a drill down visualization. So as part of that, if you want to implement a drill down visualization, so for now I just created a state-wise amount paid. If you want to create a drill down visualization, what you need to do is, you need to get your hierarchy into the axis column. So axis, I provide a state-wise amount paid. I want to get city level also. So city-wise. Now this visualization becomes a drill down visualization. So here by default it is showcasing the data at state level, and if you want, you can represent at a city level also. At a city level. So in a single visualization I am representing a 2 dimensions. Like that, any number of dimensions I can represent. So by default state level, and if the user wanted to see the next level drill down, you can see at a city level also. So this is how you can create drill down visualization. Drill down visualization is nothing but adding the next level of hierarchies as part of the axis. Here I have a 2 level, I just mentioned 2. If I have 4 levels, I can mention a 4. At all the levels it is going to showcase the data. Now whenever you create a drill down visualization, you have 4 options are there. One is, if you don't have this one, fine, this is a default. Whenever you have that one, the 4 options are enabled. So this is nothing but go to the next level in the hierarchy. So it is going to showcase only the next level. Only the next level. At that level, whatever the values that you have, it is going to showcase. It is going to the previous level, drill up. Drill down, go to the next level, drill up is the previous level, and at this level it is going to showcase. And you have an option called expand all down one level to the hierarchy, which is nothing but, so whenever you go to the next level, if you are aware of each city belongs to which state, no issues. But as I know cities are belongs to which state, I am comfortable. But sometimes I don't know the parent and child, the relationship. I don't know, like if you don't know about Coimbatore from which state or Pune from which state, how you can understand? At that time, you can take your parent also to the next level. Whenever you click on it, it is showcasing boss. Pune from Maharashtra, Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu, Mumbai, Maharashtra, Chennai, Tamil Nadu. It is representing. So that is what the third option. So drill up, drill down, and expand all one level to that hierarchy. And the next one is click to turn on drill down. So once upon a time, in the initial days of Power BI, at that time, this used to function, which is nothing but whenever you click on it, drill mode is on, click the data point to drill. Okay, so here, what is showcasing here is, like whenever you click on this one, all the levels it got drilled down. All the levels it is drilled up and drilled down. But a specific value you wanted to drill down in a next level. Specific value. Let's assume I don't want to see all the levels over here. I want to see the options which are the child options which are available at Andhra Pradesh. At that time, whenever you click on it, it is filtering at this level. But I want to filter the child level also. At that time, what you can do is, you need to enable this one. Whenever you enable this one, whenever you click on it, it came to the child level, it filtered, like only Andhra Pradesh it got filtered. Go to the parent level, click on Tamil Nadu, only Tamil Nadu data filtering. Similarly, go to Maharashtra, only Maharashtra data is getting filtered. So if you wanted to send a parameter to your next level, at that time you need to enable this drill down. If you not enable that, you can see parent level, next level, like that you can go through all the levels. But if you want to send a parameter to the next level, boss, I wanted to see only Tamil Nadu data, then what you need to do is you need to enable a drill down, click on it, only the three things is displaying. You want to go to the parent level, you can go to it. This is what a drill down visualization in a Power BI. So the same concept is available across all the visualizations. You can work same in a like a pie chart, donut chart, all the places the same concept is there, and like even a line chart, all the places the same concept, drill down, drill up, all the visualizations it is available. Initially it was started with a bar chart, now it is available across almost all the visualizations. So this is how you can create a drill down visualization in a Power BI, and these are the options that you have. In a drill tab, you have all these options, whatever we observed. So show next level, expand next level, drill up, drill down, and see data is nothing but the data associated with this visualization will be showcased at this point of time. At this granular level, whatever the data associated, that is representing over here. Okay, so show data is nothing but, like see data is nothing but aggregated data it is going to showcase. At this visualization, whatever the data is representing, that data is going to showcase over here. See records is nothing but raw data will be showcased. To create this visualization, whatever the raw data that you used, if you want to see, you can click on that one, it is going to showcase the raw data. It is aggregated data. If you want to see the aggregated data, see data. If you want to see the raw data, you have a see records, and show next level, expand next level were already showcased as part of this, and drill up, drill down you understood. Drill through filters we'll discuss as part of next session. So anyone has any questions how to configure a drill down visualization in a Power BI?